got the Mark 3 here and I'm about to try and get it lifted up on the lift here. So I got this here not too long ago, about a month ago, and it's just this old, pretty old, like it's an old single post lift, and it is quite high entry. You need about 6 inches of clearance at least to get these here under the car at the lowest point, but the Mark 3 doesn't quite have that. So I've got these here like chocks to raise the car up, so I'm going to drive them on. I've got 4 of them, one for each wheel. See if that'll lift it up enough that I can get this here up under it. I'm not sure what the last thing I recorded was, but I've got the car back up on the lift here and I am starting to cut this here part of the exhaust off. I've got that there clamp freed up and pulled back, and I'm starting to cut that there. You can see where I started with the hacksaw. I had to go and put the compressor back on, but I'm about to start cutting this here away. Take this here wee guard off the hacksaw here to get cut the whole way through. No going back now. That's it, free. Right, now time to try and get this here pulled out. And after a fair bit of wrestling around with it, it's free. And it's an absolute ton weight, so it must be absolutely packed full of stuff. You can sort of see through it sometimes if you get the right angle at it, but it must be absolutely packed full. Nothing. Right, got this here bucket here. I'm gonna hold it up like that, get the drill, start driving it down through. Whenever you do see light, it's because there's a hole in the top of it, so even better. Get an exhaust leak fixed while I'm at it. So I'm gonna start into this here now, grind it off, or drilling it out. Okay, so I've got the cat out here on the ground, got this here bucket to gather up all the crap that comes out of it. And I've got the drill and a 5/16 bit for it, so hopefully if I drive a few of them around the edge, I think I'm going to try and chain drill it out, just sort of hit it right on the edge each go. See what I can do. What's annoying is the fact the cat isn't straight through. There's a bit of a funny angle. So, just have to be careful. You can see there, a fair bit of stuff's came out of the bottom, out of it already. And here, ooh, don't want that there to come fall on me. You can start to see a bit of light coming through from the drill holes I've drilled, so definitely more flow on her now. That's it all gutted now. You can see straight through it now. So pretty much ready to go back on. I don't know if I should give the inside of it a clean out or anything. I don't imagine that would do it any good. I think it's just sort of, there's that there hole that I found, I need to patch it up. And I think what I might do is add a wee lip over that top bit where the wee black line is, just a wee extra bit on the inside, so whenever it shoves in, that if I don't completely get that top bit welded, then it will still be sealed and it won't leak too badly out of it. I do think now though, since I do have the exhaust disconnected, I need to at least start it to see what it sounds like with absolutely no exhaust on it. So I've just went and made, if this here would focus. Okay, so you can see that I've made this here bit here, this extra lip, and that is where it seats into the top. So my thought was if I made that there could slip up into the top, and then that would prevent, if it was to miss a weld up here, which is where I'm most likely to not be able to get at them, that should seal it up enough that it's not going to leak from there. And then there's also a hole there and a hole there that I've just welded up. So I'm going to try and get this here fitted in now, see how that goes. Get this here fitted up in now. So I'm going to have to slide it into the back end first. No, actually, I didn't see that. That's actually slipped in a lot easier than I thought it would. See that there gap is pretty good, especially whenever you take the weight off it. Goes up quite nicely. Right, okay, I'm gonna try and get a few tack welds thrown on that, so hold it together. Well, I'm not sure how much of that I actually ended up videoing of welding it. I've just completely forgot to. But I have to go on now, just grind them up a wee bit, tidy them up, and that'll be it, good to go.